Dietitian Michelle Swadeer is here taking your health and diet questions at 270-9933. Good to see you.
Hello, nice.
We have alternative, healthy, protein-filled snacks here.
Yes. One of the best things you can do to improve your diet is eat less sugar and less processed flours. The problem is a lot of the snacks have traditionally contain those. But fortunately, some of the food companies are starting to make things that are actually a little bit more what we can actually use to make a healthy snack or to make part of a healthy lunch or dinner.
Things like what?
So one of the new interesting things that is come out on the market are baked cheese products. And basically it is just cheese that they've baked till it's dried and crispy.
Oh, like Cheetos? No.
Not really like Cheetos, but yeah. So they're crunchy and salty like Cheetos, but the ingredients are cheese.
Like, it's just regular cheese?
Yep, it's just cheese that's been baked until it's basically dehydrated and crispy. They come in different forms.
Right.
Some are small crackers. Some are kind of like the old-fashioned cheese balls that we used to eat as kids. Some are shaped like a granola bar. So it's a very good treat for people who like and miss their potato chips and crackers.
And there's always cheese, too. I mean.
Right, there's regular cheese, too. But a lot of times if people are eating too much cheese, they miss that texture. They want something crunchy.
This one's got an egg in it?
Yeah, so a lot of companies are starting to come out with protein packs. So mixtures of eggs and meat and cheese and nuts. And some of them do have crackers, but for the people who want to be super low carb, there you can find some without crackers as well.
All right, and we got this protein water. This is something new.
Yeah, so for people who maybe want some extra protein, don't want anything really sugary, that's got the same amount of protein as a couple of eggs. And it's not necessarily that milky flavor that you would get in a lot of the old-fashioned protein shakes. So it basically tastes like a mixed berry juice. There's lemonade flavor.
Well, 30% of the protein for the day.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, you know, that could replace your breakfast like a lot of people do with protein shakes anyway. This is just a different take on it.
So lots of alternatives out there.
Lots of alternatives. The next time you're at the grocery store, take a couple extra minutes and look around.
All right, let's go to the phones. We'll start with Linda in Barneveld. Hi, Linda.
Hi.
Hi, what's your question?
I'm wondering about the cooking of eggs. I'm so tired of scrambled eggs, and I was cooking them easy over, and a friend of mine said, oh, you know, you got to make sure that the yolk is hard when you cook it. Can you cook an egg where the yolk is runny, or is that a problem?
Well, the concern with the runny yolk and the runny white is basically a food safety issue. So if the yolk is cooked through and the white is cooked through, that's going to make it less likely that you would get any salmonella problem. So food safety-wise is basically your concern. It's an important concern. If you feel really confident and you're cooking pretty cleanly, and that's the way you like eggs, you can do the sunny side up in the runny yolks, but you are safer to cook them all the way through.
It's not a nutrition issue, it's a safety issue.
Right, either scrambled or over hard.
All right, let's go to Beverly in Arlington. Hi, Beverly, what's your question?
I would like to know what kind of probiotics to buy and what brand and what strength.
Well, that's a very big question. There are two very common ones on the market. There's Floragen and Align. Those are general products. They have a couple different types of probiotics, and most people do well with those. If you do have a gastrointestinal issue that is more specific and more extreme, then you might want to consult your doctor. You might need something a little more specific to your problem.
Okay, big area, big field.
Yes, big, and still growing by quite a bit.
All right, we are out of time. If you're on the line, stay there. Michelle will talk to you off the air. Thanks for the snacks.
You're welcome.
We'll have one final check of your forecast. Here's Chris.
We headed to the first day